Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Kenza. This is my first video vlog and today I will be unboxing two cameras, the Canon G7X Mark II and Mark III. This one is Mark II. This one is charger. And this one is battery. It has a flash on it. This one is Canon G7X Mark III. It comes with the charger, battery, After testing both, I personally prefer the Mark III because it allows me to use a remote control, making it easier to take my own pictures outside without needing anyone's help. However, when it comes to image quality, I like the Mark II better. While you can use your phone as a remote control with the Mark II, I found it inconvenient for fast shooting. Additionally, when using a phone as a remote control, you cannot see your pose on the Mark II screen, which was a drawback for me. In the end, I decided to keep the Mark III because it's more convenient for my needs. And how to tell them apart? It's simple. The Mark II has the G7X logo on the top right corner, while the Mark III has the logo on the bottom right corner. Which one would you prefer? Comment below and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.